Welcome to this video about our new coffee machine, the Mechanika Max II, which is the successor of the Mechanika Max. We worked a lot on the internal parts to improve espresso and heat stability, and that is what I would like to show you. Design-wise, we choose to stay with this classical ECM design of stainless steel. One of the main reasons we worked on a new model of the Mechanika Max was the heat-up time. We took the brewing head we already use in the Synchronica 2 and put it into the Max, so we are speeding up the heating time from cold start to 12 minutes. Internally, we have still a 2-liter boiler and the heat exchanger system, our smart heat exchanger, but we developed it further. Because of the brewing head, we were able to get rid of the inlet for the brewing group and just have one source of water supply without any thermosiphon. So let's turn it on. Now the machine is ready to brew. After only 12 minutes, you are ready to have your first espresso, and that is something you will really like in your daily routine. The second thing we wanted to achieve with the Mechanika Max II was to improve the usability. That's why we moved from a 7-segment to an OLED display with 2 buttons to adjust easily the steam power. You can choose between low, medium and high. And we implemented shortcuts to start pre-infusion or turn the machine into eco mode. Behind the low, medium and high setting for the steam, there is of course a certain temperature which is controlled by PID. So low means you're working with 124 degrees. Medium means you are working with 127 degrees and high means you're working with 130 degrees steam temperature inside your boiler. Here we have a classical HX system. We have the heating exchange inside our boiler and we have hot water circulation going through the inlet and going out of the outlet of the brewing head, which will heat up the brewing head itself, the 61 group. But after a certain time of not using the machine, this tends to overheat due to the higher temperature in our boiler. With our new brew temperature control system, we added heating cartridges to the brewing group and we cut off the inlet of the brew group. That means the heat exchanger is still the same, but we take the water from the bottom part of it and we bring it into the group here. This keeps the machine from overheating and you're ready to brew with the perfect temperature all time. You can set your brew temperature between 90 to 95 degrees, which works perfectly with every steam you choose between low, medium and high in your boiler. Thanks to the clean design of the internal parts of the machine, it is easy to service. For example, a technician is able to set the rotation pump without taking away the housing. The Mechanika Max II comes with 2 portafilter, one with a single and one with a double spout. A lot of other accessory, including our new temper and our water filter, which can be directly connected to your water tank and be set to a certain level of water hardness. To sum up the Mechanika Max II, I would say we were able to keep the best features of the Mechanika Max I. The small footprint, the rotation pump, and the idea to set your brewing temperature. With the Mechanika Max II, we were able to even get better brewing temperatures, more stability and precision. The heat-up time was reduced by half, down to 12 minutes. I hope you like the features. You can find more details on our website. Thanks for watching.